Many people ask me what's the right approach for satellite manufacturing, mega factories or microfactories? And there are several ways to think about that. One is the economical way. Many people say that there is a global oversupply of small satellite platforms, and that might even be true if the demand in the market would truly be global. But the reality is there are barriers all over the place. And the recent geopolitical shifts have led to even more barriers being erected for different markets. The reality is that the capacities being created by the mega factory projects are increasingly trapped in their respective geographies. And the fact that the demand is in other places will lead to these capacities never be operated at peak load. So to really address the globally distributed demand, we need a much more granular, geographically distributed approach. And these are small factories being built into the market in a cost-efficient way. And these are the microfactories we are investing in.